Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to apply for a Venmo credit card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to do is open up Venmo. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the official URL. On your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and download the Venmo application, and after downloading you can go ahead and open it up. So the first thing we need to do when we open up the application is log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is register for one. Right here on the PC you can just click get Venmo. On the mobile application you can get started with register process by entering your mobile number and so on. So once you have gotten your account, we can log in. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page that looks like this. This is going to be your main page from where we can get started. Here we have the sections tab where all the sections we can access, such as home, cards, pay, and so on. And now we can get started. As you can see right here on the official Venmo website, we have the credit card section showing us how we can get started applying for the credit card and earn unlimited cash back with the Venmo credit card. So basically guys, you can go ahead and apply for this in the application itself. You can score up to 3% back on eligible purchases, 2% cash back on the next, and 1% on the other eligible purchases. So this is a credit card that you can use wherever you want, however you want. And basically what you have to do is scan the QR code. As you can see right here, you can scan to apply in the Venmo app, or you can sign in and apply. So by signing in on the PC browser, you can go and start from here, or you can scan this code and open it up in the Venmo application. From there you can get started doing all the process, inputting all the information for setting up and applying for this credit card, and basically it's easy as that. After that you'll take a look if you were accepted or not. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.